welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to filter offensive spam and offensive comments on TikTok. So the only thing you need to do is activate a option in the part of privacy, in settings and privacy in your application of TikTok. So the first step is go to TikTok, and after that you need to pick here on profile. And in profile you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines, and you got a panel where you got three options. Three options. You need to pick here in the third option, settings and privacy. And after that you need to pick here in the option of privacy. So in this part you need to go down and pick in the first option of part of interactions in comments. And after that the only thing you need to do is pick in the option of filter all comments. So you got the first option where it said filter spam and offensive comments. That is like the first option with you got activated, but you need to pick here in filter all comments, and that's it. You complete the process. So, and this is the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.